Okay, Unit 7 Educational Media. Graphic Kids. Topic. So, 9 point is a bulletin board. Meaning, it is a board on wall in which a notice can be affixed. Means, in the notice board to fix it any subjects, your particular paper cutting, and the specific information message to fix it in this board. Principle for an effective use location. Information material and the notice should be kept separate from those is current event for our understudy, right? So these are a principle for that, like is particular information in location in the notice board or the placement, right? Its placement is near education administration office, near library, each classroom, clinical conference room, reading wards and hostel, in hostels, right? So in this notice board is main purpose like a near library, classroom, clinical wards and hospital. Because of what? Because the students focus in this notice board and the in particularly to focus on this board, right? Visibility. Advocate light and neutral and let feel interfixed with the eye level. So in notice board is a good information, to the students, right? And the most of the like a timetable or the importance in the to note down in this visibility. Organization. Organize around the center, then content material should be a detailed and ensure that does not stay on the board too long. Right? So in this board is like a not a big one. This is a small. It is a, like a very small, and this is a two partition, and the division like a two three or more to pin out in this board, right? Appearance should appear neat and to order attractive orange mountain the material as Z and B direction and the follow the sequence. The sequence is to arrange this in notice board like a S shape, Z shape and E shape to arrange to directly like example like a timetable here first year, second year, third year. It's a sequence has to arrange this notice board. Board is left blank for they will create if any question and will have to create an interest means in what to interest how to focus on this information, right? So in blank page uh, and in blank page write like a fighting color in different things like a light colors to show off the informations, right? Contribution should be a label. So whenever to stick in the notice board, that time to label it. Students should be encouraged by the faculties member to participate in the notice board committee. In notice board committee, like all the substance and all the information to stuck in the notice board. So is the well improvement to students also and the faculties also. One person should be appointed for editing board. So when you have to take Mac and the someone like a one person to appointed, they can do editing also. Yes, everyone should be made responsible for a maintenance helping up to the date information. So day by day to date information timing and all to editing in this committee's members. Right? Characteristic of the notice board. First one is the size of the notice board. The notice board comes in the various sizes and kinds. The types of the size used here depend on the purpose for which is used to appreciate the numbers people it's there for. So whenever you size like a 4 to 5, like a 20 centimeter to 30 centimeter in the notice board, and all the tick commands like stuck in the notice board like a timetable or a student list, and whenever to like approximately like a number wise or sequence wise in this stuff in the notice board. So second one is a material required to notice board. Wooden board is a cardboard board and the play board and the thumb board. In notice board is a woolen board, right? So whenever in the school or the college, that time to see in the notice board is the wooden board into stuck all the papers like a blue green colors and add up to the like a A4 size pages in the all these things. Final cross and the khadi close. See the stick is the blue board to the like a very smoothly, so stock is very easily and to the get the more information in the high light colors. Pairs of the scissors, packet of the gum or favicol to stick with the gums or favicol of the pen, right? And fitting the color pins also, the letters, pictures, and material notice also, right? The third one is the preparing the notice board. Preparation, the central thing is selected the photographs and the drawing, arranged in S, Z, and V direction and completed by the notice. I have already show off these pictures like this a notice board and the it's a Z type SN and V direction also to use using this notice board, right? So next one is the overhead projector definitions. The name comes from the fact that projector imaging behind and the over this head is speaker, right? So whenever to use the overhead projector to show off the PPT and that time to like a images to show up there all the information in the PPTs. And speaker also to speak is very well to show up. Like in this picture to show up the PPT in the overhead projector to light up the PPT and show up the projectors also. It's very nice to visualization also to listening the videos and something else, right? Methods of the using overhead projector. The projector should not be subjected to mechanical vibration. The provisional voltage fluctuation should be taken care of the using voltage stabilization of the having suitable choking in the series. So whenever to use the projector is a fluctuation to use to the sliding wise like as changing the slide also and the more information to clarity in this using overhead projectors. The halogens lamps particularly will not with the stand heavy soldier voltage, the lamp should be not touching the by hand. So it never touching the by hand to using the switch and the lights up to PPT and a grid to like a clarity also, right? Next. OHP means overhead projector should not be kept continuously for a long period. Otherwise, the projector may be not what inspired to calling to arrangement. This arrangement is very useful for that like a long periods like a PPT or like functions and program to use for the OHP, right? The fresnel lens is protected by a glass lens is a top necessary to remove dust and the dirt, the protecting glass and also from the outside of the lens surface whenever to use like a overhead projector first one clear this in the lens also clear because this whenever to dust or any dirt occur they tend to show in the PPTs also so not clear to visualization the students, right? Next, the OHP should be a keep necessary in the fixed place to adjust to rotated projector X meet the screen normally. So whenever to see the screen is very normally and to see also like a teachers and the students. Transparency at the three excited cities of the dimension 20 by 25 or 25 centimeters 25 to 25 centimeters by leaving the margin of the 2 3 centimeters clarity writing over the surface there can be a suitable mountain in the suitable cardboard mountains present screen whenever the like a screen like a 20 into 25 and like a 25 into 25 centimeters, right? So whenever to see is very suitable for the students in the PPTs. Using on OHP, place on OHP table to table with a projector lenses vacation screen behind teacher. So whenever to using the OHP, whenever to set it the OHP, they tend to see students and then the students and teachers also. So whenever to facing this screen behind these teachers, right? So whenever to static the teaching, so also understanding these videos or PPTs. Put the course plug into power wall socket, switch and blower the fast and the bulb. Fast pin and the bulb. So whenever you started the PPT using USB, starting the bulb and the clarity to check first one, and after then started your topic and all. This place the acceptable cell phones and transparency on the glass top, right? So whenever this use the place to decide the cell phone and transparency on the glass top. Move to the objective lens and the mirror the assembly up to down to get the imaging focus on the screen. So whenever to use this OHP, they tend to focus on the screen and all the explanation there in the in the screen. So whenever to up to down, so adjacent also reality pictures also. The explanation about the material on the transparency sitting behind the OLED is a very smaller pointer, right? Next, do not keep it too low. It is a very make to imaging destroyed. Its image is cat wider and the top is narrow its bottom. Its distortion is called the key stopping. Whenever to set it like a control as control V, right? This is the shorter keys and to the adjustment to the PPTs and the well understanding videos also. So do not keep the bulb of the for long time. It is can overheat this projector and damage its acceptable transparency while is the bulb. So whenever to started the PPT is over a projector, do not keep work for a long time because it is like a electricity uses it to overheat. Whenever to overheat this projector, that them to damage also, right? So whenever to use to the particular PPTs or uh, starting the topics onwards. After then, turn off the ears bulb and the PPTs. With advantage is permit the teacher to stand in the front of the classes while using the projector thumbs enabling or to point out the features appearing the screens. Right? Whenever to this starting first the permission to the teacher and after then starting the screen. It can be used verify lighting room. Is also to lighting the room material project can be a change and easily quickly. So material be used easily and also to answer quickly to make a margin more and transparent to use to teachers. So whenever to use this OLP, also to margin this screen and useful with the teachers also, right? So next is to margin in the notes and transparency to use the teachers. It's a good for the teachers and the students also. Okay, thank you.